Alright, now welcome to SC Custom Designs, where if you're following my channel, you know that we love to create bandsaw boxes. And this unit here, first and original of its kind, because it was created here in SC Custom Designs. You might wonder, well, how did you make this thing and where did the wood come from? Well, if we can clear some dust off, because I've been busy today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2x12s were joined up, and we have approximately 10 inches from here to here. And we joined all that wood up, and we created these drawers. Very unique drawers, each one having its own unique shape. And in this series, you're going to get to follow me every step of the way. However, I didn't bore you with some steps. Here we have 2 units that are ready to become that or something like that. I actually have different design in mind for the next at least 3 or 4 of them. We have more there. So what I did previously is I planed them with this DeWalt 13-inch planer. It's one of your best planers, really, on the market from DeWalt. I'm not sponsored by DeWalt, but I went ahead and I planed them. And why would I do that? Because the wood in its rough is going to be curved or have lots of burrs on the outside, and that was the case. So these guys have been planed as well as the other ones. And so, sorry for the twisting and turning, those 2 are glued up now. And some tips that I have for you for gluing up is, you'll know that when you start stacking pieces of wood with glue, it becomes like ice. What you can do is sprinkle in between some sawdust, like this, in between, and it helps that to, or sand or something like this. Because I'm going to be cutting them out with the bandsaw, I really don't want sand in there, right? So that's not going to be very user-friendly for your blade, right? So, oh, by the way, always remember to lift the pressure off your blade when you're done. That type of thing is pretty important. Thanks for watching this really short video here at SC Custom Designs. I thought you might want to know how in the world did I create this, and you're going to see every step of the process, from what I just described to the finishing, so on and so forth. Thanks for watching. We're going to say our usual goodbyes here at SC Custom Designs in some of the language. If you like what you see, please, by all means, subscribe to SC Custom Designs. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us comments. We love your comments. Thank you. The recent comments on these bandsaw boxes, I punched out about 8 of them. They all have very unique design. Really, really fun. I'm going to be doing this like pretty much more than likely for the rest of my career. So here at SC Custom Designs, we do this in the daytime. Daytime on the weekend. Sorry for the flipping. On the weekends, lunches, and nights, I am down here in my wood shop. I love to make things. So there you go. Oh, here's a little bit of a bonus. My daughter-in-law, Tabitha Larkin, found these for me where they live. Oh my Lord, am I psyched. These are antiques and they're still working. Believe it or not, they work. So I'll be putting them on my pegboard where I have tools. Right now I'm just so busy. My shop is a mess. Oh, here's a couple more bandsaw boxes. We're calling him the Moose. And I've made several of these in the past. Trust me, these guys sell at your shows. Thanks for subscribing to SC Custom Designs. Thumbs up. Give us questions. And because as a kid I lived as a missionary all over the world, here's some of the goodbyes I learned. Shalom aleichem lekol haverim shali mi'aretz Israel. That's Hebrew. Goodbye. In some other words, masalami, Arabic. Shalom. It's like peace upon you. Masalami. Tutsins, Afrikaans. Goodbye. Zaijian. And arrivederci. Take care. God bless. Stay safe in the wood shop.